Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. I'm gonna be making a cheesesteak the way I make it here in Georgia. This is super easy, guys. You can make this any day of the week, but let's get started. First, you want to chop up an onion, and I'm using Nature's Promise organic onions. Holy moly. Y'all, I heard about a trick, and we're gonna try it because this is burning my eyes. You splash water on it, so let me go get some water. All right, I splashed it with water. Let's see. I do feel like my eyes kind of feel better. Holy moly, I don't know that that's working. Whew! Shoot! Oh, God. Oh, gosh. I've like got snot coming out of my nose and everything.
Hey, get close. Talk to the camera close.
I can't talk to nothing.
Look at me. You have tears.
I know, I can't.
Take your glasses off for me real quick. And look at me.
That's a strong onion. Alright guys, now that I got my eyes all red and everything, we're going to put these onions in the cast iron skillet and caramelize them. First, put a little bit of oil. I'm using organic Terra Delisa. I'm not really sure how to say that. Organic extra virgin olive oil. And guys, I wanted to tell you, I saw a thing on TikTok that you want to check your olive oil. And a couple ways to know that the olive oil is good is A, it's organic. B, you want to have a harvest date on there and an expiration date on there. And then also you want the source of origin on there, and you don't really want it to come from like multiple different farms. It's best if it has one source of origin. And then also if you taste it, it'll have like a rich taste to it. Now you want to cut up a steak. I'm using a beef sirloin steak, and it's boneless. I put this in the freezer for a little bit, but I just bought these steaks, so it didn't really have time to freeze. But that just makes it easier to cut. And you want to cut this as thin as possible. Guys, I'm an everyday person. I don't have all the fancy gadgets and the super sharp knives and stuff, so we use what we got.
Man, that be smelling. Cooking onions. I think that's one of the best foods to ever grow out of the earth is the onion.
Mm-hmm.
I really do, yeah. You can eat them raw, good. Cooked, good. On stuff, good. They're just good.
Hey Andrew, do you think an onion's good?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Once you have these onions caramelized, take them off. Now that you have your onions off, you're gonna put your steak into your cast iron skillet. I'm going to season this with some Worcestershire sauce. I'm using Lay and Perrin's, the original Worcestershire sauce. And I'm gonna put some Montreal steak seasoning in there. Once the steak is done, take it off. I'm cooking mine in batches because I did 2 steaks. While we're waiting on that to get done cooking, let's toast our bread. But first we need to cut it. I just put the bread on here face up like this, and I'm gonna put it on high broil and watch it till it gets toasted. Now I'm gonna take this steak and chop it up just a little bit more. All right, so our bread is done. Let's put our steak back in the cast iron skillet and put our onions in there too. Put some provolone cheese in here. This is smelling so yummy, isn't it, Rowan? Mmm. Okay, now that the cheese is melted, we're gonna put this to the side, and we have some mayonnaise, and we're gonna just slather that on our bread. Now you have the mayonnaise on here, let's put this steak on the bread. This looks so good, y'all. Guys, that looks so good. All right, let's try it.
Let's try it.
Oh God.
That's awesome.
That's a good dinner, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
That's a thumbs up from me. If you like the content you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.